Okay, we're going to do our jeans hem test on the first classic machine that I've purchased. Paid a whopping $28 for this, and it's a Singer model 237MA, and it's called a Fashion Mate. Anyway, it's solid metal everywhere except for this side and top cover here. And I've put a standard size, class 15 bobbin in it, and wound it with this thread also. So I haven't even tried it yet, so this is going to be my first test. So let's give this a go. Need to raise the feed dogs, it looks like. And I'm going to start before the big side seam, and let's see how it handles going over it. I may need to get something to level the foot with. Got a piece of leather here that may work if I have to do that. I'll probably go ahead and do that to give it a good chance. So here we go. I've got a fairly long stitch length. This reads 6, 8, 12, and 20 on the side, so I don't know what those translate to, but here we go. Go ahead and do a little bit of back. I'll tell you what, I'll just sew over those when I come back around. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it went right over the side seam. Okay, now it's kind of hard for you to see because I'm having to sew this way, but I wanted to top stitch it and see how it looked. So let me look at my stitch length there. I'm going to go just a tad longer, like a nice long stitch length. See how my tension looks. I need to sew a little bit more before I can tell that. Here we go. These old machines are so smooth and quiet. And I'm tightening my tension just a hair more. Okay. See if I can get this flattened out. There we go. Move my needle position over to the left to allow all the fabric to get even underneath the feed dog, give it a little bit better chance. Go ahead and cut my starting stitches here. Okay, there we go. Okay, here we go. Coming up on our serge side seam here in just a second, so I'll slow down there and go over that nice and slow. Okay, that's a pretty good size seam, so here we go. And that noise you're hearing is just me kind of slightly pressing on the foot. It's kind of what all these older motors, the sound they make. Okay, we're over that side seam, so coming down the home stretch. Pants turned around here, flatten everything out, and just go with it. Trying to keep that hem nice and flat. A little bit of a challenge. Okay, we're coming up on where we started. I'll go one more, then I'll go back. A couple of stitches. Go ahead and go 3. Come forward 1, 2, and lock it down. Okay. Let's see how we did. Don't you love how quiet and smooth these old machines sew? Okay, let's have a look at the results here. Okay, the back side looks good. I don't see any loops. Stitch shorten a little bit going over that side seam, but not too much. Front side looks nice also, which totally expected. So didn't have to do much with the tension. Bobbin tension looks good. A little bit messy there where I started and stopped, but it went over that flat felt seam nicely. Anyway, no surprise. The old vintage machines do an excellent job handling this kind of stuff. So, okay, that's it for this. I've got a couple more coming, so I'll shoot some videos of those also at that point. If you want to see anything else on this machine, let me know, and I'll be happy to fire up the camera and do some tests for you. So, anyway, that's it for today. So take care.